Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my previous year question discussion series of semester 1 paper cell biology under CCF for your upcoming exams. These questions are from University of Calcutta year 2024. Now let's concentrate. Distinguish between V-onc and C-onc carrying 2 marks. Which organelle is referred as the traffic police of the cell and why? Carrying 2 marks. What is facilitated diffusion carrying 2 marks? Mention difference between ACR and RER carrying 2 marks. What do you mean by resolution of a microscope carrying 2 marks? What is glycocalyx carrying 2 marks? Define cis-trans polarity of Golgi complex carrying 2 marks. Define carcinogens with example carrying 2 marks. Mention the role of APCC carrying 2 marks. Define transmembrane protein with suitable example carrying 2 marks. What do you mean by second messenger? Give one example carrying 2 marks. What are nucleoporins carrying 2 marks? Define obligatory heterochromatin. Give one example carrying 2 marks. Mention 2 pro-apoptotic and 2 anti-apoptotic proteins carrying 2 marks. Name any 2 enzymes associated with inner mitochondrial membrane carrying 2 marks. Write short notes on structure and function of F0, F1 particle carrying 5 marks. Centrosome and its organization carrying 5 marks. RTK RAS-RAF pathway carrying 5 marks. Subcellular fractionation and ultracentrifugation carrying 5 marks. Principle of scanning electron microscope ACM carrying 5 marks. Briefly discuss the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane with diagram carrying 3 plus 2 marks. What are lipid rafts carrying 2 marks? Write a note on polymorphism of lysosomes carrying 3 marks. What do you mean by glycosylation of proteins carrying 1 marks? Briefly discuss the process of N-linked glycosylation with suitable diagram carrying 4 marks. What do you mean by respiratory poisons? Give one example carrying 1 plus 1 marks. Distinguish between light microscope and electron microscope carrying 3 marks. Discuss the composition and function of different types of intermediate filaments carrying 3 plus 2 marks. Write a brief note on zonula occludens carrying 3 marks. What are gags carrying 2 marks? Write down the structural features of microtubules carrying 3 marks. What are the functions of ECM carrying 3 marks? Distinguish between euchromatin and heterochromatin carrying 4 marks. Describe the beads on a string model of chromatin with diagram carrying 3 plus 1 marks. Explain how MPF regulates the progression of cell cycle from G2 to M phase with diagram carrying 3 plus 1 marks. What is Knudsen's two-hit hypothesis carrying 2 marks? Describe the intrinsic pathway of apoptosis with suitable diagram carrying 4 plus 1 marks. What are caspases carrying 2 marks? What is the reason behind the nomenclature caspase carrying 1 marks? Distinguish between cell surface receptors and cytosolic receptors with examples carrying 2 marks. What is the principle of freight carrying 3 marks? Calculate the minimum limit of resolution possible for a light microscope if maximum value of numerical aperture is 1.10 and wavelength of light is 480 nanometer, carrying 3 marks. Discuss the properties of cancer cells, carrying 4 marks. So this is all about previous year question, 2024 year question of cell biology of University of Calcutta for your upcoming first semester examinations. Stay connected for next session.